Srijan Kumar. I am from Pratyusha Engineering College. In the month of June, I got placed in the QSpiders as an incubation student. After that, I had taken a Java full stack course, and I am started learning the Java, SQL, and Web Tech. And I got more knowledge in all these three subjects because of my. I'm very much thankful to my trainers who are trained very well in all these subjects. Namely, our Java trainer is Nalis sir, and my SQL trainer is Nalis sir, and Web Tech trainer is Navin sir. All the trainers, they teach very well, and they gave more knowledge in all these three subjects. And coming to and I want to thankful for one more person. She's Kanika ma'am in programming. She gave more knowledge how to crack the logics in the programming, and it is very helpful to for my interviews or all other placements. So with this knowledge, I got placed in Solvent's company with the salary of 10K. And this is after. And additionally, I want to thankful all my friends and seniors who are helped for my subject and for getting knowledge. So that's all about me, and thanks for the entire QSpiders and JSpiders organization for giving this knowledge, and thank you.